This is how I make my own wipe-on poly at home. Today I'm using Varathane triple thick polyurethane. You will need a separate container or cup. Here I'm pouring in to my container about halfway. For the other half, I will be pouring clean water. I'm not too worried about how thin this will come out. This is 3 times concentrated to start with. If you want to use it straight, that's a whole nother video. At this angle, you can see the consistency. Here is my original container. And here is the solution I will be using. Today, I will be demonstrating on this coffee table. If you're interested in the full restoration, check out my channel for updates. Using this wipe-on polyurethane is exactly how it sounds. You just wipe it on in thin coats. Do this 1 to 3 times. Allow drying time between coats. You want to sand with a brown paper bag or a cardboard box before starting your next coat. I won't go out and buy this. I usually recycle what I already have throughout the house. This formula will dry pretty fast, so you should be able to finish your project within the same day. Wipe-on poly is not the only method used to protecting your furniture, but this one is great for saving money and time. Please like if you've learned anything today. Thank you for watching.